Zara's birthday today, so we saved some of this tres leches cake that we may have eaten in its entirety for the weekend. So we're gonna give the boys
like a little bite, just a little treat.
I know, we know this isn't really good for them, but we'll give them just a teeny tiny little bit.
Yeah, we give them like not even a forkful.
And mostly they'll just lick some of the cream off of it.
Yeah, and then we'll take it away. One here.
Zaro! Come here, buddy. We made you cake.
So I saw this thing on TikTok where you take a bunch of cherry or grape tomatoes, give them a good drizzling in olive oil, and then salt, and then you put like a big block of feta in the middle, and bake it for a while, and it turns into this nice feta tomato sauce for pasta. So here's the core of it. It's tomato feta. I'm gonna roast it for a while, then add some herbs and some spaghetti. So this is the finished product all mixed up. The tomatoes roasted up nice, the feta cheese roasted up good, and I mixed in some macaroni and a little bit of fresh feta.
You're so good, buddy. You're such a fat athlete. You're so stinking cute.
That might be our last pipe cleaner.
I have to get some more.
Because they love them.
They do love them.
Until they lose them, or drown them, or they just get
Kobe does try and drown things.
Yes.
Look.
Get that two-handed action. You go, boy. I'll get you.
You did get me. You got it. Okay, let go, let go, let go. Ah, that's my leg. That's my leg. Get off me, dude. Get off me, dude.
Zara is licking all the snow off the rug.
So Tabitha had the wonderful idea to go for a hike today. And we're out here and you can see that the stairs are just like covered in ice. So come on down, honey. We probably should have gone down just over there, but...
You mean that path that like everybody else took?
Yeah, pretty much. There's like inch thick ice on here. It's pretty crazy. You made it. Mostly.
We're at Mount Airy, by the way. I don't think Francisco mentioned that. And he's decided to go off trail, so now we have to cross this little river thing. And now he's leaving me to do it on my own.
Walk where I walk.
I didn't watch where you walked.
No, walk over here. No, over here.
Why?
Because you can get closer, fine.
I like this way better.
Okay. Nicely done. Yeah, the lick of wind is really doing it. So this whole day has been very treacherous, as you can tell. Did you have fun?
Yeah. We stopped at Bon Bonnery and we just sent Francisco in on his own since they have a limit of 4 people at one time in the bakery, and looks like he got me a salted caramel cupcake, sorry.
A tuxedo brownie.
Oh, it's tiny.
And then I got myself a caramel nut bar, and then the peanut butter oatmeal bar is top right.
Didn't get all the ones I told you to get.
I didn't think you wanted all of them.
I did.
What's something you're having me do?
I'm just trying to get a haircut.
Sorry.
So I'm just gonna have Francisco cut my hair because, like, I feel like my hair's always been very long, but this is like old, damaged hair. Just want to try and get it to look more healthy, pretty much.
So we're gonna chop it all off.
Not all.
What's up, buddy? You want a bath?
Seems like it. Let me see like where you're gonna cut it so I can see if it'll still be in the frame. Show me.
Oh, I cut it like right here.
Okay, yeah, that'll be in frame. I feel like this needs to come a little more like that though. What should I do with the hair in front? Tuck behind my ears?
It's not gonna get down here anyway, so it doesn't really matter.
Ow.
Sorry. Okie dokie. How about there?
Should I look?
No.
Let me look.
Let me see where your elbow is.
Wait, let me see. Where is that?
I was gonna do to about there.
Wait, I'm bending my head back.
Okay. That would have been a lot more actually. Bend your elbow. Okay. It'll be. I'll take it.
Sorry, you can't come
It'll
in.
be here. It'll be this much. That's not that much. That's all that's going away. It'll grow back. Soon enough.
That's a lot to me. It looks healthier when it's brushed. Looked like crap after our hike.
Okay. Head forward.
Body is straight.
Body is straight. Bend those elbows.
Zaro, stop.
And here we go.
Ow, you like pulled.
Sorry.
What was that?
I just kind of pinched it.
It's like you pulled it with the scissors.
Sorry.
Where's my hair?
There's still a lot there. Don't worry. Just because it doesn't reach your ass crack doesn't mean it's for something wrong.
Pretty soon my bangs might be as long as my hair.
You still have stupid long hair, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
It looks a lot shorter to me.
I like it.
It looks crazy short to me.
I like it a lot, actually.
Really?
Yeah. I like it a lot.
You know you're supposed to like cut into it. Like,
Listen, bro.
soften
This is who you're getting to cut your hair. There's a limit on what you should be expecting from me. I like it a lot, actually. I'm just saying, I like it a lot.
it. Well,
Me gusta.
what do you like about it?
I just like how it like hangs on you now. I feel like when it is that long, it can be kind of like listless in a way, whereas now it kind of feels like it's a bit springier.
I mean,
Oops.
shorter hair has, you know, it looks healthier and bouncier and lighter. I don't argue that. It's just more of an emotional attachment that I have.
I know, and all I'm trying to tell you is I really like how it looks shorter, is all I'm saying. I think this probably counts as cat abuse.
Okay.
Buddy, I'm sorry for all the things wrong with this to you. Take the hat off of him. Okay. Maybe because it's not coming down right now? He's not as excited? Is it too cold, buddy?
Colby. That didn't last long.